Are you curious about becoming a Scrum Master but not sure where to start? Yeah! What if I told you there is a fast, easy way to explore the responsibilities of this critical role, deep dive into the Scrum framework, and find out if it truly aligns with your character and aspirations? Well, I've got the perfect solution for you, my brand new Scrum Master Starter Kit. It's your all-in-one guide to understand what it takes to be a certified Scrum Master. With this kit, you'll receive a comprehensive study materials to ensure you grasp every concept in Scrum, practice tests that mimic the real certification exams, making sure you are prepared and confident, interview questions and answers so you are fully equipped for a job success, plus Scrum workshops and expert tips to help you understand not just the what, but why behind every aspect of Scrum. But wait, here is the best part. All of this is available for just $2. Yes, you read that right. For the price of a cup of coffee, you can just jumpstart on your journey into the world of Agile and Scrum. Now, why so low? I could easily charge $100 for this or even offer it for free, but money isn't the point here. What matters to me is your growth and success. A small investment like this shows you are serious about your future. It's a signal to yourself that you are ready to commit to a rewarding, high-demand career in Agile. This is your moment to invest in yourself, to take that first step toward becoming a successful Scrum Master. But don't wait, Scrum Masters are in high demand, and this offer won't last long. Ready to start your journey? Grab your Scrum Master Starter Kit now for just $2.